Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing and preparing the old poster colors so you can use them reliably. First, stir each jar 30-60 seconds to reincorporate pigment. Bright agitation prevents streaks. If paint has separated, add a few drops of water and stir slowly to restore consistency. Smell briefly. A solvent or rotten odor means discard. Once done, test a small swatch on scrap paper to check color shift and opacity before committing to your project. Now you adjust and recondition the paints for optimal performance. If paint is too thick, thin with small amounts of water or 1 to 2 drops of acrylic medium. Mix gradually to avoid overthinning. Strain through a fine mesh to remove dried chunks that clog brushes. For faded tones, add a concentrated tint or fresh pigment incrementally until the hue matches your reference. Make sure to label any modified jars with date and ratio so you can reproduce the mix later. Finish by using, sealing, and knowing one key troubleshooting tip to rescue problems. Apply the reconditioned poster colors in thin layers and let each dry 10-20 minutes. Thin coats reduce cracking and improve drying. Once satisfied, seal the piece with a spray varnish or clear acrylic medium to protect color and prevent redulling. If you notice cracking or poor adhesion, sand the area lightly, reprime with a suitable ground, and reapply thin coats. This approach saves old paint and ensures a durable finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.